is unable to speak due to connectivity issue, I will ask the next speaker shareholder to address the meeting. Once the connectivity improves and if time permits, the speaker shareholders may be called upon again to join only after the other speaker shareholders have completed their turn. The notice convening this AGM and the annual report containing the audited financial statements of the financial year ended 31st March 2025, along with the board's and auditors report and management discussion and analysis report have already been circulated through permitted mode to you, and with your kind permission, I take the same as read. As there are no qualification, observations, or comments or other remarks in statutory audit and secretarial audit reports, the same are not required to be read. The statutory auditors and secretarial auditors have expressed unqualified opinion in their respective audit reports for the financial year 2024 to 25. The auditor's report and secretarial auditor's report for financial year 2024-25 does not contain any qualification, observation, comments, or other remarks. The same is not required to be read in this meeting. We will now take up the agenda items as set forth in the AGM notice. There are 3 ordinary business items and 3 special business items as follows. Item number 1, ordinary resolution. To consider and adopt the audited financial statement of the company for the financial year ended March 31st, 2025, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Item number 2, ordinary resolution. To declare the final dividend of ₹1, that is 50% per equity share, on face value of ₹2 per equity share for the financial year 2024-25. Shri Manish Garg will chair the meeting for item number 3 as Shri Sanjay Rajgaria is interested in that particular item. Item number 3, ordinary resolution. To appoint a director in place of Shri Ajay Rajgaria, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Item number 4, ordinary resolution. To reappoint Shri Raj Gopal Sharma as whole-time director of the company. Item number 5, special resolution. To appoint Srimati Radhna Saluja as an independent director of the company. Item number 6, ordinary resolution. To appoint Messrs. RSM and Company secretaries as the secretarial auditor of the company. The text of the resolution along with explanatory statement is provided in the AGM notice already circulated to the members. The text in compliance with the Companies Act 2013 and the SEBI listing regulations read with MCA and SEBI circulars, the members have been provided with the facility to cast their vote electronically through the remote e-voting facility provided by NSDL. In accordance with the provision of the Companies Act 2013 and the rules issued thereunder and regulations 44 of SEBI, listing obligation and disclosure requirements, regulations 2015, the members were provided with an opportunity to cast their votes through remote e-voting on the resolutions. As set out in the notice convening this annual general meeting, the remote e-voting period commenced at 9 a.m. on Monday, 15 September 2025, and the facility was available to the shareholders till 5 p.m. on Wednesday, 17 September 2025. The board has appointed Mr. Ravi Sharma and Ms. Suman Pandey, partners of Messrs. RSM and Company, practicing company secretary, to act as the scrutinizers to scrutinize the remote e-voting and provide the consolidated results. Since the AGM is being held through video conferencing, the resolutions mentioned in the notice have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, and the facility to vote is also available at the AGM. The company has received requests from some shareholders to register themselves as speakers at the meeting. Accordingly, the floor will be open for these members to ask their questions and express their views. Thank you so much. I would now request Shri Sanjay Rajgaria, Chairman of the meeting, to address the members.
Thank you again, Nidhi. Dear valued shareholders, the financial year ended 31st March 2025. The company has delivered a good performance. The sales have increased by about 12% to 113 crores from 101 crore. Profit before tax was 4.25 crores as compared to 5.24 crores last year. Profit after tax stood at 3.15 crores as against 3.98 crores in the previous year. EPS was 4.73 as against 5.98 in the previous year. The company's focus now is on increasing profitability, and we are focusing on this by improving capacity utilization, higher level of automation, and focus on efficiency. We are trying to move up the value chain to develop more value-added products. On the environment front, the company is also very cognizant of its responsibilities. We have set up a 300 kilowatt solar plant last year, which is working well. And we are very focused on meeting our customer requirements. We are customer driven, and we are doing well in offering them customized solutions to meet their needs, we have strong relationships with our customers, and we have been adapting our technology and infrastructure to meet their requirements. We believe that all these initiatives will help us to emerge stronger in the near future. I'm happy to announce that the Board of Directors have announced a dividend of rupee 1 per share, that is 50% on the paid up capital of on the paid up value of rupees 2 per share for the financial year 24-25. I would like to thank all our customers, partners, and business associates for their support and their commitment and belief in Perfectpac Ltd. So we have received there's a question and answer session now, and we have received a detailed questionnaire from Mr. Bhutani, Mr. Mahendrapal Bhutani, and Mr. Keshav Garg. So I think I will take up these two queries first, because it's a detailed questionnaire, and that may answer all your other queries also. Whatever queries are left unanswered, we can take it up subsequently. So with your permission, I would like to proceed with the responding to the questionnaire of Mr. Mahendrapal Bhutani and Mr. Keshav Garg. So Mr. Mahendrapal Bhutani has asked about the initiatives being taken by the company to enhance quality standards, the company's strategic priorities, and what challenges and opportunities we see in the coming times. So as I said earlier, we are upgrading our plant and machinery to improve the quality and efficiency and to meet our customer expectations and requirements. As more and more foreign investment is coming into India and PLI schemes, etc., the expectation of quality from the customers, of the packaging quality from customers is increasing. So we are geared up to meet those challenges. We are trying to focus more on systems rather than human dependency, and to develop more value-added products and increase our customer base so that we are not dependent on any single customer. The challenges we feel are typical to the industry. The industry is highly fragmented. There's intense competition among all the people. No single group or company has significant market share. As a result, we have to accept the pricing offered by our customers because they always have some other option. So that is the basic challenge that we feel. But as you see from our track record, we are successfully navigating these challenges, partly because of our goodwill and our service and the universally well accepted quality of our products. For geographical expansion and product positioning, we are evaluating the options of another greenfield project because this existing factory is working at 90% plus capacity. And for product positioning, like I said, we are looking at moving up the value chain. We have added some machinery which will give us better value addition than our existing products. So that I think should take care of Mr. Bhutani's questions. Coming from Mr. Keshav Garg's questions, he's asked about the profitability, the top line, the bottom line, and the volumes. So for financial year 25, our sales was 113 crores, with a bottom line of 6.63 crores EBITDA. So for financial year 26, we're expecting a top line of 118 crores and more than 30% jump in the bottom line. For financial year 27, we are targeting a top line of 125 crores. And the bottom line should also grow proportionately. He also had a question that why are we stagnating at this sales levels? Actually, we are operating at 90-95% capacity, and the limitation is the space available with us. And there's no way we can increase productivity or sales in the space available. So we are limited to this range of 110-120 crore turnover. And that's why I said earlier, we are looking at the option of a second unit, but that decision will be taken in the next 6 months or so. We expect a steady EBITDA margin of 7-8% going forward. So in terms of volumes, in 2023-24, we did 22,368 metric tons. Then 24-25, we did 23,262 metric tons. And for 25-26, we expected to do 24,100 metric tons. So the growth is only about 4 to 5% per year, which is also being done by just trying to squeeze out more efficiency from the machines or adding some balancing equipment. Our capacity is 27,000 metric tons per annum. And like I said, this year we will achieve about 24,000 plus. So we are at 90% this thing. And the maximum sale that we think we can achieve in all shifts, all machines running full, is 125 crores in the existing infrastructure. Regarding capex for future, routine capex is to the tune of about 2 crores per annum. That is replacement of obsolete machines or adding some machines to debottleneck the plant. Major customers are LG Electronics, Samsung, Lenovo and Motorola, Ahuja Radios. Competitors, a lot of competitors are in the unorganized sector, but in terms of organized sector, competitors are like KCL Limited, A1 Containers Limited, PL Containers Limited, Kesho Packaging Limited. These are the things. So our USP and strength. Our strength and USP is our strong management, is our commitment to meeting our customer requirements, very strong customer relations, and good manufacturing systems, and a very robust quality assurance system. So he has also asked about the IRR we aim for. So we target an IRR, a payback period of 5 years for any elective or optional investment. But where an investment is decided by customer need or by a machine becoming obsolete, there we just have to go for it. So then we don't really calculate the IRR. Our pricing arrangement with the customers is mostly a quarterly fixed price. And if at the quarter, if there is some major fluctuation in the raw material pricing, then the prices change quarterly. But if there is no major fluctuation, then the prices may last for 6 months or even longer. So as I said earlier, the top line this year is 118 crores target and next year 125 crores. And we are limited by the availability of space, and our EBITDA margins we expect to be fairly constant at 7 to 8%. So I think this takes care of all these detailed questions by Mr. Bhutani and Mr. Garg. If there are any other questions that the speakers wish to ask, they may please be allowed by the company secretary. Maybe you can allow any other people who want to.
Thank you, sir. The speaker shareholders may now ask questions. Members are requested to keep their questions brief and specific. The answers to all the questions will be provided by chairman of the meeting one by one. Members are given an opportunity to speak on first come, first served basis and may also note that the company reserves the right to limit the number of members asking questions depending on the availability of time. We now invite our first speaker shareholder, Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain.
He is not attending the meeting.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
please
I
go
would
to the
like.
next.
Okay. Now I would like to invite Mr. Praveen Kumar.
Ma'am, he is also not in a meeting.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Muralidhar Talreja.
He is not also in meeting.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Surinder Kumar Arora.
He is also not in a meeting.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Raju.
He is not in meeting.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay Kumar.
Is he there?
He's not available. Next, I would like to
Sanjay
invite
sir?
Mr.
No. Sanjay sir, please ask your question.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। जी सर। जी सर, मैं मोर देन 1 डेकेड से कंपनी में शेयर होल्डर हूँ, काफ़ी लंबे समय से, और मैं ये जर्नी कंटिन्यू करना चाह रहा हूँ। इसीलिए आप लोगों ने काफ़ी वर्षों से काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है, मगर जो लास्ट स्पीकर ने आपसे क्वेश्चन आंसरिंग में पूछा कंपनी का प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी और टॉप लाइन ड्यू टू कैपेसिटी मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज हो रहा है, उसके एक्सपांड नहीं हो पा रहा है सेल वगैरह, तो सर उसके लिए हम लोग जो क्या काम कर रहे हैं, कितना कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा और वो कैपेसिटी एक्सपांशन कब तक हो जाएगा और कब तक सेल में फ्रूटफुल हो पाएगा। और सेकेंडरी बात सर के अभी फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में, दिस ईयर फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में कंपनी का सेल सेम रहा, मगर बॉटम लाइन प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी काफी जंप हो गया, तो सर उसके पीछे क्या रीजन है और ये सेम जो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी जो बढ़ा हुआ है वो मार्जिन वो फुल ईयर में कंटिन्यू हो पाएगा?
So very good question, Mr. Saravagi. So you see, we are yet to take a call on a second project. The other option which we are exploring is to pass another couple of years at the existing site with higher value-added products to increase our profit margin. So the top line may not increase, but the bottom line may increase. So we are evaluating this option as well as whether we should set up a second plant. So that decision will be taken in the next 6 months, and only then we will be clear about what is the capex involved. You have rightly pointed out that the first quarter the profitability has jumped, and we are hopeful this trend will continue, barring any unforeseen circumstances. That's why I said earlier that we will expect a good jump in our profitability margins in this year, much more than the increase in sales. And this is because of the improvements made in the last year, moving towards value-added products, streamlining operations, going in for higher automation. So this is all the benefit of those activities that we are seeing now. I hope that answers your query.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
He is not in a meeting, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Gagan Kumar.
Just let me check.
Okay, ma'am.
He is not in meeting, ma'am.
So, next, I would like to invite Mr. Manjeet Singh.
He is not in a meeting.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Ankur Chanda.
He is also not attending this meeting.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Krishan Lal Chadda.
He is also not in this meeting.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Mahendra Pal Putani.
Just let me check him.
Okay.
He is not attending this meeting.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Narendra Singh Chauhan.
Just let me. Narendra ji, Mr. Narendra Singh Chauhan ji, can you hear me? Please ask your question. Mr. Narendra Singh Chauhan ji.
हाँ जी बोलिए।
गुड आफ्टरनून चेयरमैन साहब, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, पोस्ट शेयर होल्डर। सर सबसे पहले तो मैं मोदी जी और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी साहब मैडम का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने मुझे इस फोटो पर बोलने का मौका दिया। सर हमारी कंपनी का आने वाले 2-3 सालों का रोड मैप क्या है सर, इसके बारे में बताइए। और सर मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मैडम का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। और सर मेरी एक सिंगल रिक्वेस्ट उन्होंने मुझे भेजी है, साथ में को साहब का भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया। किसी तरह की कोई क्वेरी नहीं। बाकी सर मैं आने वाले त्योहारों के लिए आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मिस्टर चौहान। जो आपकी क्वेरीज हैं वो ऑलरेडी मैंने पहले आंसर कर दी हैं, बट अगेन इन 1 minute आई विल जस्ट this thing. You see, our last year sale was 113 crores. This we're expecting 118 and next year 125. We are not able to break through this bottleneck because of space constraints, and our plant is operating at 90% capacity. We have taken a lot of initiatives in the last year to improve our productivity, improve our quality, reduce costs. And the effect of that is now you can see in the current financial year. So now going forward, we will decide in this year whether we want to continue running this plant itself with more higher value added items so that at least the bottom line improves, or whether we want to set up a second plant at a different location. So that decision we will take in the next in the next 6 months or so. So when we meet next time, you will have a much more clear picture. But as of now, this is the status of the company and the plans for the future.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Keshav Garg.
Let me check.
It's not there, I think.
Hello.
Yes.
Keshav sir, Keshav Garg ji. Keshav Garg ji, please ask your question.
His questionnaire has already been replied to, so I think we can move on. He's not.
So maybe there is some issue from his side, so you can continue.
Yes. So I think the question answer session is now over. And if any member has any unanswered query or they were not able to participate for any reason, they can email us to the company secretary and you will be replied to. Suitable replies will be sent to you. Members, please note that the e-voting on the NSDL platform will continue to be available for the next 15 minutes. Therefore, thereafter, the proceedings of the meeting will be closed, and members who have not cast their vote may please do so through the remote e-voting process. The resolutions which are set forth in the notice, which were read out by the company secretary, shall be deemed to be passed, subject to receipt of the requisite number of votes. The result of voting on the agenda items of the meeting shall be declared within the prescribed time limit, and the same shall be intimated to the stock exchange and also uploaded on the website of the company and NSDL. The same shall also be displayed at the registered office of the company, and also the company secretary is authorized to sign the consolidated scrutinizer report. I am grateful to all the shareholders who have joined the video conferencing meeting today. I am thankful to all the directors, the auditors, the secretarial auditors, our RTA Skyline, for all their support through the year and for the smooth conduct of the meeting. So with that, I would like to conclude today's meeting, and I look forward to meeting you all next year for our next AGM. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.